Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make the PKNY. To make this drink, we are going to start with 1/2 ounce of coconut cream or coconut syrup. I do make my own coconut syrup. Recipes here on the channel if you want to check it out. 1/2 ounce is 15 milliliters. 1/2 ounce of fresh squeezed orange juice. 1/2 ounce, 15 milliliters. 2 ounces of fresh squeezed pineapple juice. And if you don't know how to squeeze a pineapple juice, I may do a video here on the channel. I'll link it down below if I ever do it. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Then 2 ounces of rum. Not Pussers, but something aged. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Get your ice. Ice gotten. Put some cubes in the shaker. And give it a shake. Set this aside and get your Lewis bag. Here's my Lewis bag. I'm going to put some ice in it. Oh, that one is gone forever. Seal it up and see if I can wake the dog. Crushed ice goes into your rocks glass. See if I can do this. Oh, spilling everywhere. Excellent. You'll never work in this town again. Then strain your drink into the crushed ice. Sprinkle some nutmeg on top. If you have fresh grated nutmeg, that would be best. I do not, so I will use this. Then garnish. Garnishes online are always fresh fruit, so I think you can choose any fruit that you'd like. I've got raspberries and blueberries, so I'm going to use a skewer of those. And that's it. The PKNY. Drink with good spirits.